December 21, 2025, Iran is finalizing a landmark deal to buy J-10C Vigorous Dragon fighter jets from China. This isn't just about new planes, it's a strategic pivot to modernize Iran's aging air force after decades of sanctions and isolation. Iran's fleet, mostly relics from before 1979, has been kept flying through ingenuity, but that approach can't compete with the advanced air forces of its rivals. Russia, once a key supplier, is now bogged down in Ukraine and slow to deliver promised jets, pushing Iran toward China. The J-10C deal signals a deepening alliance with China, offering Iran a way out of technological isolation. For Iran, these jets are more than hardware. They're a statement of renewed strength and ambition. The purchase challenges the military edge of regional powers like Saudi Arabia and Israel, forcing a recalculation of the balance of power. This is about shifting alliances and Iran's determination to reclaim its status as a major regional force. The sight of J-10Cs on Iranian runways will redefine the Middle East's strategic map for years to come. The implications of this deal reach far beyond Iran's borders. The Chengdu J-10C, or Vigorous Dragon, is China's latest multi-role fighter jet, a leap forward in technology for Iran. It's equipped with an advanced AESA radar, giving pilots the ability to track multiple targets with speed and precision. Built with composite materials and a powerful Chinese WS-10B engine, the J-10C is agile, fast, and reliable. Its digital cockpit, helmet-mounted sight, and fly-by-wire controls are a world away from the analog systems Iranian pilots are used to. The J-10C can carry long-range PL-15 missiles, precision bombs, and anti-ship weapons, making it a formidable platform. For Iran, this is a generational leap, like trading a classic car for a cutting-edge electric sports car. The J-10C isn't just faster or more powerful, it's smarter, and that intelligence will transform the Iranian Air Force. This jet brings Iran into the era of modern aerial warfare. It's a game-changer for the region. Iran had options, but the J-10C stood out. Russia's Su-35 is powerful but expensive, harder to maintain, and delayed by the Ukraine war. The J-10C as a single-engine fighter is more affordable and easier to operate, crucial for Iran's strained economy. Its AESA radar is more advanced than the Su-35's, giving it an edge in detection and engagement. The JF-17 Thunder, another option, is cheaper, but lacks the sophistication and deterrent value Iran needs. Iran wanted more than an upgrade. It wanted a credible challenge to its neighbors' advanced jets. The J-10C balances cost, capability, and availability, with China proving to be a reliable supplier. It's a pragmatic choice that fits Iran's strategic needs in 2025. The J-10C offers cutting-edge tech and a sustainable package. This decision reflects Iran's clear-eyed assessment of its future. It's a modern solution from a partner willing to deliver. The J-10C transforms Iran's air force, giving it modern fighters for the first time in over 40 years. Its AESA radar and long-range missiles create a credible air defense, deterring enemy aircraft from entering Iranian airspace. As a multi-role jet, the J-10C can strike ground and sea targets with precision, extending Iran's reach across the Persian Gulf. This new capability strengthens Iran's conventional deterrent, complementing its missile and drone programs. The shift to digital systems will force a complete overhaul of pilot training and doctrine, modernizing the entire force. The deal also opens the door to deeper tech cooperation with China, potentially boosting Iran's own aerospace industry. The J-10C is more than a weapon, it's a catalyst for Iran's military and industrial modernization. It marks a turning point for Iran's defense strategy. For China, selling the J-10C to Iran is a strategic win. It's a showcase for Chinese military tech, signaling to the world that China is a credible arms supplier. The deal deepens China's partnership with Iran, securing energy interests and expanding influence in the Middle East. It ties Iran to China for training, parts, and upgrades, increasing Beijing's leverage in the region. The sale is a clear message to the US. When the West isolates, China steps in. It complicates American military planning and shifts the regional balance. China also gains valuable data as Iran operates the J-10C near advanced Western jets. This is a real-world testbed for Chinese technology and tactics. The deal is a masterstroke in China's global strategy. The J-10C deal is shaking up the Middle East. Israel, long dominant in the skies, now faces a more capable Iranian adversary, making future operations riskier. Gulf states like Saudi Arabia and the UAE see their technological edge eroding, likely triggering a new arms race. The J-10C narrows the gap, pushing these countries to seek even more advanced weapons. Iran's improved air force could also bolster its influence in Iraq and Syria, changing the strategic calculus for its allies and rivals. The deal may fuel both escalation and, paradoxically, new diplomatic efforts as the cost of conflict rises. Some Gulf states might pursue dialogue with Iran to avoid a costly confrontation. The J-10C's biggest impact may be political, forcing all sides to rethink their strategies. The region's security architecture is being rewritten. The balance of power is shifting before our eyes. The J-10C sale is more than an arms deal. It's a turning point for the Middle East and global power dynamics. For Iran, it ends decades of isolation and provides a credible deterrent against rivals. For China, it cements its status as a top arms exporter and deepens its influence in a vital region. The deal complicates U.S. strategy and signals China's readiness to challenge the old order. Israel and the Gulf states must now adapt to a new reality, where their military edge is no longer guaranteed. This could spark both new arms races and fresh diplomatic initiatives. The J-10C in Iran is a symbol of shifting alliances and rising new powers. The world is changing, and this deal is a clear sign of the times.